All right, guys, welcome to this video. My name is Jason from Smart Email Blogger. So today we're talking about make money online with ClickBank. Now, this video is basically going to show you how you as an individual looking to make money online can use the power of ClickBank to make it happen for you. Now, if you don't know what ClickBank is basically the world's #1 marketplace anywhere in this world that you can promote other people's products or services as an affiliate marketer and earn income doing that. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to break down the people that you should learn from and get you on the right track to make that money, okay? So let's move forward with the slide right now. So first of all, to be successful with ClickBank, you need to learn from the people who are already successful on ClickBank, right? Very good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to present to you the top people to learn from who are basically successful on ClickBank right now. I've done all the background research and I'm here presenting these people to you so you can learn from them if you choose to do so, if you really want to become successful on ClickBank. Now, these people are known as ClickBank Brand Ambassadors. Okay, these are people who have earned over $1 million with ClickBank, and ClickBank has basically given them that title, right? So these are people who know the system in and out, and they can teach you. Now, the first couple of guys who I'm going to talk about are Adam Oritz and Justin Atman, and they're from the company ClickBank University. Now, ClickBank University, as you can see by the name, it's made by ClickBank for people who are actually trying to be affiliates on ClickBank. Now, these two guys, basically, they are really good at teaching the subject of affiliate marketing. And they're people who you really want to learn from because they have made multiple 7-figure businesses online as affiliate marketers, and they also have their own products, okay? The next person on this list is Devon Brown. He recently launched this program called the 12-Minute Affiliate. And don't let the name 12-Minute Affiliate kind of put you off or anything like that. Basically, his system is teaching you how to use sales funnels and also email autoresponder. If you know about email autoresponder, you basically get to learn about Aweber, which is one of the software that I personally use in my business as well. Now, Devon Brown, very talented. He's good at teaching. He's going to break down simply to you how his system works. And basically, he's going to give you a free video showing you the setup. And if you choose to have him as your teacher, I would say go with him. You may know this person. His name is John Crestani. Basically, he is one of those platinum ClickBank affiliates, okay? And this guy has his own training called the Super Affiliate System. John Crestani, I've learned a lot from him through one of his systems called the Internet Jet Set. Very decent guy. His program is mostly about promoting high-ticket systems, and also he's more focused on paid traffic, okay? Great guy to learn from. He's gonna show you a webinar about 2 hours where he basically shows you, teaching you about the process, all right? Now, the next person here is Robbie Blanchard, okay? This guy was recently nominated as the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the entire world, okay? So what he did, he actually created his own program called the Commission Hero, okay? A lot of reviews online about it. You know, you can feel free to go to Google, do your own due diligence, find out more about Robbie Blanchard. But this guy, all of these guys that I'm presenting to you, they are real legitimate. They know the business, and it's up to you if you want to also become successful on ClickBank You just need to go ahead and learn from these people. All right. Robbie Blanchard. Back we have John Crestani. We have Devon Brown from the 12-Minute Affiliate. And we have Adam Horowitz along with Justin Atman from ClickBank University. All right. Hopefully, what you can do is get started today if you really want to make yourself successful with ClickBank. You know, what I will do for you, I'll put all the links in the description right below this video. All right. And, you know, all the links will go over to the individual products. I'll put the name and then I'll put the link. You can click through and, you know, whichever one resonates with you, you know, you go ahead and take the training. All right. That's what it's all about. So guys, subscribe for more videos if you like this video, because what I'll be doing in the coming days, weeks, and months ahead, I'm going to be providing more videos about affiliate marketing, teaching you how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing, create a passive income from your home, right? So thank you again for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you. And this is Jason Foster again. If you have any questions at all that you want to ask me, please leave them in the comment section below. Or you can reach out to me at jason@smarthumanblogger.com, and I'll be happy to help you out as well. All right? See you in the next video, my friend.